Look what arrived here today. A Twirl candy bar from Cadbury's. Now looking at the side here, this is probably what used to be called a Flake candy bar that has been coated with chocolate so that it's not as flaky. At least that's what I'm guessing it is. And I don't know when this came out, but I do know that Cadbury chocolates are extremely nostalgic for me. My grandmother used to come over from England once a year and always bring a whole batch of Cadbury's deliciousness. And I always used to ask her, Nana, how come the chocolates in Europe are so much better than here? And she just said, they just are. Whenever I eat anything from Cadbury's, it just takes me back, and I do enjoy the formula for their chocolate very much. So let's open this up and see what it looks like and see how it tastes. Formulas do change over the years, so they might not be exactly the same as I remember them. Oh yeah, indeed. We have a chocolate log thing looking here. Let's bite in. Okay, so it does indeed look like a flake wrapped in chocolate. And my verdict here, you guys, is that I prefer the flake. The flake is much lighter, much airier, sort of melts in your mouth. This also melts in your mouth, but because of the chocolate coating around it, it's a lot denser. However, the chocolate is the same flavor that I remember, the same consistency. It is melting in my hands at the moment, so yep, that's Cadbury's all right. So this might be an option if you want to eat something without the flakes going all over the place and still getting that Cadbury flake nostalgic feeling that you want. So yeah, obviously I recommend.